In this video, we will demonstrate how the Interactive Parallelization Tool, or IPT for short, can be used to parallelize a HelloWorld program using MPI. MPI stands for Message Passing Interface and provides a framework for allowing processes running in parallel to communicate with one another. On the screen, we can see the code for the example we want to parallelize. This program prints "Wonderful Day" to the screen once. When we run this program in parallel, we will print the line multiple times. We can invoke IPT from the command line and pass the source code in as an argument to IPT by typing IPT, then the path to the file. IPT first prompts us to select a parallel programming model. We will be using MPI for our parallelization, so we will select the option for it. Now we can select the function that we would like to parallelize. We will select main. Next, IPT prompts us about which parallelization pattern we want to use. As you can see, there are many patterns, but since we are introducing MPI in this video, we have a very simple program. We will select option 8, which just creates the MPI environment for us, but does not do any message passing between processes. Our code is just printing "Wonderful Day," so we do not need the processes to communicate with one another. In MPI, there is a concept of a communicator. Only processes within the MPI communicator can interact with one another. Total processes will tell the number of processes in the MPI communicator. Rank acts as an ID for each process and provides a way for the process to identify itself within the MPI communicator. At this point, we are basically done with the parallelization process. We do not need to parallelize any other parts of the program. Although we are printing, we can tell IPT no for this prompt since we do not need to do anything special for printing. We are not reading or writing to any files. We do not need to do any timing. Now that we have given IPT some information about our program, IPT will generate a new file called rows example1 mpi.c. Now let's compile and run the program we just made. We can use the Intel MPI compiler and the following command: mpicc rows example1 mpi.c. Since there are no errors with compilation, let's go ahead and run the program. We can run the code by using the command ibrun a.out. As we can see, the code printed "Wonderful Day" multiple times to the screen. This is because each MPI process prints the line one time. So as we can see, there were 8 processes in this MPI communicator. Thank you so much for watching. For further information or help with IPT, please visit our website or our user guides.